The 2025 Cullinan Mansory is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a bold statement of wealth, style, and performance. Starting with its exterior, this upgraded version of Rolls Royce's flagship SUV receives an aggressive makeover from Mansory. The front fascia now features a sportier bumper design with larger air intakes and integrated LED lights that give the Cullinan a more commanding road presence. The iconic Pantheon grille is retained but darkened to add contrast to the vehicle's gleaming body. Carbon fiber accents on the hood, side skirts, and rear diffuser not only reduce weight but add a modern edge. The wheels are replaced with massive 24-inch forged alloy rims finished in gloss black or custom color schemes, wrapped in high-performance tires. From the rear, a subtle roof spoiler and redesigned tailpipes give the Cullinan Mansory a sporty, yet refined appearance that sets it apart from the standard model. When it comes to performance, Mansory enhances the 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine to push out approximately 610 horsepower and 950 Newton-meters of torque. This power increase allows the massive SUV to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds. A stunning figure considering the Cullinan's weight. Mansory also tunes the suspension for a slightly stiffer and more responsive ride without sacrificing the comfort expected from a Rolls Royce. The exhaust system is reworked to deliver a deeper and more thrilling note, making it clear this isn't your average luxury cruiser. Despite its size, the handling is surprisingly agile thanks to Mansory's revised steering dynamics and aerodynamic tweaks. Whether you're cruising down a coastal highway or navigating urban streets, the Cullinan Mansory delivers unmatched power with poised step inside and the transformation can use. The interior of the 2025 Cullinan Mansory is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and personalization. Every surface is wrapped in the finest leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim, all customizable in colors and textures. The cabin features ambient lighting that can be set to your mood, bespoke embroidery with Mansory logos, and diamond-quilted seats that offer both ventilation and massage functions. Rear passengers enjoy executive-class seating with extendable footrests, privacy screens, and a starry headliner that creates a serene atmosphere. The infotainment system is upgraded with faster response, a larger central touchscreen, and advanced connectivity including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium 18-speaker surround sound system tuned specifically for the cabins. Acoustics. Luxury doesn't stop at design, it includes the sensation of effortlessness, and Mansory ensures that with every switch and feature. Pricing for the 2025 Cullinan Mansory starts around $750,000 and can exceed $1 million depending on the level of customization. This places it among the most expensive and exclusive SUVs on the planet, tailored for clients who desire both extreme luxury and unique styling. The Cullinan Mansory isn't just about transportation, it's a rolling palace, a performance SUV, and a bespoke work of art that reflects the personality of its owner.